Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train is on the track. House and hug, clickety-clickety-clack.
Oh, here are your activity sheets.
The children have to spot everything that is on the activity sheet.
A boat, a signal box, and a tunnel. I can see trees. Are trees on the list? No. I can see clouds. Are clouds on the list? No. I can see Grandad Dog.
Ahoy there!
Hello, Grandad Dog. Is Grandad Dog on the list? Silly Peppa. My Grandad won't be on the list. But he is sailing a boat. And a boat is on the list. Hooray!
The children tick the boat on their activity sheets. Tickets, please. Mr. Rabbit has come to check. Everyone tick the signal box on their activity sheets. The signal has stopped the train, so that...
We're in It's Mrs. Duck. Oh, we still haven't seen a tunnel. Hey, it's gone dark. We're in a tunnel.
The tunnel is the last thing on the activity sheet.
Hooray!